What is going on, guys? We're starting out the video here in the GT500. I've already gotten up, cold started. Sorry I didn't film it. Got some coffee, got some tire pressure for the rear tires, and just got gas. We are swapping over to our pump gas tune because we have a Mustang tune in it right now. We're gonna head down to Orlando, get our exhaust on. I lost the clamp somehow, so we're gonna head down to my friend Tyler's shop, and I know Nick is down there. We're gonna hang out, have some fun. We're gonna stop by Modular Head Shop later and talk with Jordan about the build for the motor. So that is the plan for today, and we'll see how it goes. So obviously the car is still straight piped, as you guys can hear. We're gonna fix that today. I do want to get electric cutouts. It'll sound awesome when we want it, but this is too loud. So we're gonna get that swapped out, get the axle backs on, and then eventually we'll get some cutouts, and we'll be rocking with that. You guys should know of this place, Ice Cold Auto Air and Muffler. Come down here for all our exhaust needs, and I need 2 clamps apparently because I lost them. Hey, I saw you getting gapped by that 2011 GT the other day.
2011 GT.
And it wasn't a GT500 that you were racing. Those comments.
It was red with white stripes.
No, stop it. That was Chris's.
And it had like this weird little whine to it. I don't understand.
There's no. You want to line it up right now, huh?
Not with my back brake.
So apparently Nick destroyed his rear calipers. Nice. Nick, what'd you do? Your rotor's dead, your pad's dead. Come on, man.
I don't know.
I don't know, man.
I don't know.
Dang.
I'll see. I'll send a couple of them to you and see what you think.
Oh, it's pretty broken.
You let me know, because they might not even be prime. You know, they might just.
Dang! Look at this red stripe on the wheels, dude. Oh, 2-valve. Sick. Sick.
Mom's gonna be pissed. Is that? Your mom's gonna be pissed.
That's a straight pipe right there for you. Not bad. Alright, GT500, it's up on the lift. Hopefully we can get the mufflers on. I did lose the clamps though, so. Alright, mufflers are here. Man, it looks like that was about to fall off.
It was.
That would have been fun. Yeah, these are kind of a pain because if they got to be like above this bar here. Otherwise they go like this.
Oh yeah, I think that clamp might be done.
Yeah, I think that clamp's loose or something. You can see the BMR suspension. Got the upper control arm up in there. If you guys missed that video, go ahead and check that out. It's all looking pretty good. Alright, so I actually didn't lose my clamp. I only lost one. So, oop, ow. I just hit my head.
Did you on the ramps?
Yep. So we only need one clamp, and we got one. So we'll go back to sounding a little normal. Damn, you got the Brembo stickers for that too? Because we know.
know, you know.
You know your boy over here. Rocking that Brembo sticker. Stockish 5.0. Roast him. Looking good? Dang, this tip is so clean, and this one is not. Sweet, man. Those are nice, dude. Only on one side, blue. We'll get you some nice Brembo stickers. Only me, by the way. We doing some data logging tonight?
Possibly. Yeah, get this car done.
For some spray things?
I hate you. Literally, this thing sprays paint.
You want to shout out anyone? Mom, Dad?
I like to thank my grandma.
So I gotta give a huge thank you to Ridge Wallet for sponsoring this video. The Ridge Wallet is a very small front pocket wallet. Pretty cool. I actually swapped out my old big wallet for this. Fits in my front pocket very easily. And they were so kind enough to sponsor this video and give you guys a promo code right there. It has this nice carbon fiber finish. It's small, fits in your front pocket, fits all your cards, and some cash right on the back. So I've been using the Ridge Wallet for a few days now, and I am actually really happy with it. It's kind of weird because it's a smaller wallet than what I've been used to for a very long time. But I really like having a much smaller wallet. It has my cards, has a little bit of cash on it, and that's about it. So if you want to check out the Ridge Wallet, I have a link down in the description and a promo code ML10, and you guys can check it out. So back to the video. Oh yeah, dude.
Killer.
Dude, he needs to clean these wheels. People need to roast him. Sorry, Nick, I said they need to praise you.
What?
Nothing?
Praise me?
Yep.
Or roast me?
But really?
More like you.
Shout out to this guy right here. Fixing the brakes. This guy out here street racing with...
What? Whoa, whoa,
bad rotors.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who street races?
You're a professional driver in Mexico.
Thank you. That's more official.
Unless you're this guy.
And plus, my dad made the video, so let's pretend I street race.
Yeah.
Who's your daddy? I don't know where you guys went. Oh yeah, I just went to, I figured you went to Circle Jerk or something.
Circle jerk?
Yeah. Tell me you've never circle jerked.
I have not. That's the face of a man who is circle jerked.
No, I have not. No, man, you're on the... You were there. No, 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 don't you dare. This one's on you.
Is there something I'm missing?
You spray this piece of crap already?
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. That looks hot.
Don't worry, they'll be painted way different soon. Liar. Preferably black.
You ain't gonna touch those.
I will. I will. You're so lazy. You're never gonna touch those. I will. You know, man. The next time I need pads. Not that great, is it?
What you doing?
Put the supercharger.
Chevy props. Right?
Chevy. Like a rock.
Dang, you've worked on like 3 or 4 cars today.
Yeah, buddy.
Stays busy.
Keep the doors open.
Alright, shout out to Tyler and Josh. We got the exhaust back on the GT500. It's sounding, you know, a little bit more cleaner. Now, I did like the experiment. I'm gonna put some cutouts on it at some point, but right now we're gonna go head over to Jordan at Modular Head Shop. And stop by. I don't know what I'll film there, but you guys will see. And of course, Nick got his calipers fixed. Alright, so I just stopped by to talk to Jordan at Excessive Motorsports or Modular Head Shop, and we pretty much got the whole plan for the GT500. I'm going to run through the parts list a little bit later, which is going to be your next clip. Yeah, We got lots of stuff in this paper. Alright guys, so we made it back. I wanted to talk about all the stuff we have on this piece of paper and the built motor and what you guys see in the title. So if you guys saw, I had a timestamp down below. I've been getting a lot of complaints about some people not wanting to watch the whole video. I get it. You want to see some info. Here is the info. So as you guys know, I've been talking about doing a built motor in the GT500. It is expensive and it takes a while to try to figure out exactly all the details, all the different costs, and trying to, of course, you know, obviously we got to come up with money. So we talked with Modular Head Shop and pretty much figured out a plan for the GT500 that, well, it kind of escalated. So initially I was talking to you guys about sleeving or not sleeving. We're sleeving it, obviously. So the motor's gonna get sleeved. We're gonna do rods, pistons, ARP hardware. We were talking about doing 900 to 1,000 wheel horsepower. Now we're talking more like 1,200 wheel horsepower at some point. So the build has escalated quite a bit. We also have a Mantic triple disc getting built right now. So let's give you guys the basic rundown before I go through kind of the parts list here. This is not 100% set in stone, but it's pretty close. So as of right now, I've been talking with BMR and Viking. We have a new set of rear shocks on the way. That's going to be going in the GT500. That's going to help us really plant the car and get the car 60 footing. We're going to be doing a tubular K-member along with a tubular radiator support. I believe we're going to keep the stock Bilstein front struts, which are the electric dampening. We're going to keep those for now. I also have a BMR safety loop coming in, so that's going to go around the drive shaft. Like I said earlier, we're trying to do everything pretty much right on the GT500 the first time rather than going out to the track and breaking things. It's going to be a pretty powerful setup, so we definitely want to do it right. We have the Mantic triple disc coming in. We have a MGW short throw shifter that I bought a long time ago that's going to be going in there. So we are actually going to put the triple disc, break it in on the stock motor, and my goal is to go out to the track and run a high 9, maybe mid 9, who knows, depending on how good the weather is and you know how much power the car is making. Right now it's making some steam. As I'm recording this, this is actually after our re-dyno, and we fixed a few things and the car is making some power. So you guys definitely look forward to the new dyno day. We did a lot of things and we're still messing with some more things, but the car picked up some serious power from what you guys saw in this video and what you guys saw in the other video racing the Hellcats and the ZL1. It picked up some good power. Once again, my goal is to run a 9-second pass, stock motor, not blow it up, hopefully, and pull the motor out right after that. We're gonna bring it over to Modular Head Shop. We're gonna break it down together with Jordan. We talked about it. I'm gonna be videoing a lot of the process. You guys let me know exactly what you wanna see, what you wanna know, because we're gonna get pretty in-depth on the engine and building process. Obviously, we don't want to give away Jordan's secrets. He does have a lot of secrets. He's very good. He's been doing this for a while. But pretty much we ended up now sleeving it, rods, pistons, ARP. We're going to be doing a valve job, ported heads. So it's pretty interesting. So let's go look at the list. We have kinetic crank stud, ARP main kit, so a bunch of different things. ARP main side bolts, diamond pistons. I'm not gonna give you guys all the specs. I'll give you guys that all when we end up doing the motor, because we do have some specs on here, but we're gonna save that for later. We got a set of wrist pins. We got a nice set of Molnar rods going in it with ARP 2000 rod bolts. We got a King bearing set, King rod bearing set. We're going to be, of course, balancing the crank to the rods and the pistons, so that's all going to be balanced. Of course, we're sleeving the block, which is, it's a pretty penny, for sure. So sleeving the block, that's so we're going to go tear down the block and then get it sleeved. So that is going to be pretty interesting. We have the AccuFab upgraded primary pivot rings. That's for the timing chain stuff. AccuFab upgraded secondary timing chains. Cammed head gasket. Left and right side, obviously. We have an ARP head stud kit, and this is where you guys are going to be like, what? Why are you doing this? So I'm going to be selling my L&M NSR Cams. As you guys know, I picked them up a while ago, and I had every intention to install them on the stock motor. But when Justin at VMP said, hey, look, the car kind of made like some pretty good power, and if we put these cams in there, we're going to be playing a game of kind of down tuning the car to essentially not break the rods in the car. So, because right now if I were to put these cams in the car, we would be pushing the car pretty close to 900 you know, if I left everything the same, boost the same and everything else, and it's kind of too much on the stock motor, so we'd be kind of down tuning that. Yes, it would sound cool, but in reality, if I'm doing a built motor, let's just do it right. So with that said, the L&M NSR cams are a fantastic cam set. However, Jordan, he gave me some ideas and said, hey, look, they're pretty good, they sound good, they make some power, but we definitely optimize the cams and go for a better lift cam, something that's gonna make some more power and still sound nasty like those cams. So if you guys are interested, I'm selling the L&M NSR cams. You can guys just message me on Instagram or Facebook. My Instagram is at Mr. AJ's Tech. Just go ahead and go over there, message me. I'm gonna be trying to ask like $1,400 or best offer. The cams are $1,600 new, I believe, something like that. So definitely go ahead and message me. They're all in box, ready to go. And these will work for any 07 or 14 GT500. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely hit me up. I'm sure they're gonna go pretty fast. So yeah, just let me know. So with that said, we have a set of modular head shop, his stage 3 camshafts. They have some pretty good specs and should make some serious power and chop really hard. So we have CNC porting on the heads, valve guides, valve job, just a lot of good stuff, and yeah, valve springs. We got a lot of crazy things going on in the head, so this thing is going to make some serious power. For compression, we're doing a 10 to 5 to 1. So it's going to be making some more power with less boost, which I definitely like. I like higher compression motors. Some people would prefer a lower compression, but when we are choosing supercharger as our power outer, even though supercharger technology has come so far, we're not going to be pushing 40 pounds of boost through a supercharger. It's just not possible right now. Turbo cars, absolutely. So do a low compression engine, kick that thing up to 40 PSI and make some serious power. But with a supercharger setup, a PD supercharger, we're gonna go with higher compression, then we can use less boost to make the same power as we did before. And I definitely like that. That's why Coyotes make so much power with such little boost. For example, Ashley's car made 836 wheel horsepower with just 13.5 pounds of boost. So we are also obviously going to be degreeing the camshafts, so everything's going to be really, really optimized on this motor. We of course have a gasket set going down here. We are also going to be doing a lower balancer, I believe a 15% overdrive balancer, and haven't decided on the brand on that yet, so I guess we'll figure that out at some point. But that is, I believe that is pretty much it. And then I think we're gonna try to talk to Shelby Mike about some timing components. I guess that's what they specialize in. So that is pretty much the list on the GT500 motor build. It's expensive. I'm not gonna give you guys the exact price. Everything can change, and you know, we'll kind of put together a package with Jordan to try to figure out everything. So if you guys want to bring your engine over to him, you guys can get the exact same setup I got. I think I forgot to mention we're also going to be doing the VMP oil pump gear and crank gear. Those are both billet. That's going to help keep things strong down below and should be awesome. So I hope this video helps fill you guys in. Make sure you like the video if you are excited for the GT500. All this stuff is expensive. Liking the video does not give me money, but it does help get this video out to more people, and that does help generate funds for the channel. If you guys are interested in picking out a Mustang lifestyle t-shirt, we still have a bunch of the GT500 t-shirts, the large XL and 2XL, so definitely go check those out. They are a pretty cool shirt. We've got the GT500 on the back, and it definitely helps out raise some funds on the channel. We also have the Mustang lifestyle key tags still, so definitely go check those out. So with that said, comment down below what you are most excited to see on the GT500. Of course, like the video and subscribe if you are new here, because we're going to be doing a lot of awesome things very soon.